All right, I am back in Five Below. Everything is cleaned out. These are stretchy Hot Wheels. Okay, yeah, so I was looking at these before and I'm like, what are they? They just stretch. Stretchy toys. Play-Doh's pretty much gone. All these like pillows that you color are gone. Wow, that is crazy. There's still quite a bit of Minions and Shrek. There is some ornaments. We do have Stitch left over. You can make hot cocoa bombs. These are going to be $6. Look, you can make a banana, strawberry, and orange. Are these the only two to choose from? Oh no, there's one more.
There is?
Yeah, the grape right here in the bread, or I don't know what that is. Bread. Let's make bread.
It's a lunch.
It's a lunch box. Okay, you got a sandwich. Okay, that's kind of funny. A juice box and a lunch box. And that is funny. Oh my gosh, they have Sandy. I have not seen a Sandy block figure. They had a toy though. SpongeBob. This is everything for SpongeBob. It all went around, left. We got Squidward house. And that's it. No more of the squishy head. Maybe we could find a squishy head here. Mini cake kit. Wow. I kind of like going back in stores where they were fully stocked like 2 days ago. And then all these shirts are gone. That is crazy.
It's all that last minute gift buying.
Crazy. And I like looking at how the shelves are disappearing. I know. Well, I mean, those are stocking stuffers. So, I mean, I get it if you're just trying to fill it in. The shelf is gone. Oh, look at that. A little pixel one. Haven't seen that.
I don't think I've seen these ones.
These are snow globes.
It could be South Park ones.
Butters. Butters.
They're all angry.
He will always have my heart.
And margarine and
Butters. These beanies are gone. Whatever's left over. That's crazy. Okay, there are some new journals though. If you're looking for something. Notes. We have like a food one. Here's a strawberry with a picnic basket. And you just close it up around the picnic basket. Okay. This one, the tomato. Dice egg. Garfield pen. These are just slime. I don't even know what these little creatures are.
I don't know, but they had clothes for them over there too. I guess
yeah.
they have little dolls of them.
Yeah, just strawberry shortcake, warhead.
Food to eat.
No. No, they're just slime. Not even a lot. These have crochet ones, or I'm not too sure. Those are different. Love. It's an 8-ball magnet. They're funny. Look at a lot of these key charms are going away too. And that's kind of cool. Uh-oh. People just dropping everything. They're just dropping everything. I love you so much. Danny Phantom. Oh, we saw that one already. Feeling derpy. Oh my gosh. That's the weird one. Oh, look at the cat wizard. Look at this shelf is already empty on the speakers. The book section was wiped out. I mean, I could see the books. There's some pretty good books here. Charging monitor stand. Oh, it has a USB. I'm like, oh, just a monitor stand. Okay. Here's a shower head with a Bluetooth speaker. That's kind of funny.
It needs a light show.
Okay, that's kind of cute. A little bit of makeup here. We got face masks left over. Look at it for your BFF. They have Joe Cool, Winnie the Pooh, Frozen, Besties, SpongeBob, and hair clips left over. A lot of them did go away. Bluey headband. Some makeup left over. Tons of socks. Oh yeah, this went away. I kind of figured these would go fast. Mocha. Look at these mini testers.
Huh.
They almost look fake, right?
Yeah.
Yuck.
There's a lot of them like that.
Plum face cream. Strawberry face drops. Watermelon refresher. I'm guessing spray. Avocado stuff. Yeah, their little testers are funny.
I hope people aren't really putting them on their mouth.
No, I don't think. I hope not. These are 7. Strawberry. Are these highlighters? Yeah. I wonder how they. These. I'm pretty sure these would work. Highlighters are highlighters. Just get a good setting spray. And this blush in here. Here's more blush. Tinted lip. It's a red one. Wow. And perfume. That's still quite a bit of perfume. Still quite a bit of children's shirts though. If you really want them, come and get them. You know what? Retinol night serum. It's really crazy to see that this is kind of gone because this store is like for like 10-year-olds.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like 13-year-olds and stuff. You guys shouldn't be using that.
Yeah, they cleaned it out.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's all I ever see when I'm down here is little girls.
Yeah. Let's see if all the candy is gone. Okay, tons of Funko, Shrek, snow globes. Are these squeezing dinosaurs like the chicken? Mermaid. Oh my gosh, all the toys are gone. Here's some dolls. These are 5. Turn around. See, I probably would get so mad working here because all I hear is those little kids like throwing balls everywhere. Actually, they're not little kids. They're 15-year-olds. I would be so annoying. They just toss the ball everywhere. This is so funny, you guys. Sonic. The ducks are gone. Oh, the shelf, don't know what it was, is gone. Hershey's. Okay, I gotta get out of here. It's just teenagers running amok in the store. Oh my god. I don't know. I think throwing the ball around the stores and like tearing it up, I think it's kind of like messed up. Like, why do you have to do that? If I ever caught my kids doing that at that age, 15, you're like a little too old for that. Sorry. Going on a little mom rant, but it is irritating, you know, especially if you work in retail or fast food. You have to deal with all this new stuff they do, and it's sad, and it's so much rudeness.
I remember being stupid and obnoxious like it.
I mean, it's not cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video in the 5 below. Please stay safe out there. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh, they have pizza. It's like hockey type, huh? A pizza. That looks pretty good.
Coco Dusty.
Yeah.